Hi, today we'll discuss about local storage. Local storage is basically a client-side storage solution, and it contains key value pairs, basically simple key value pairs. For example, name will have a value, or age can have a value. So it's a simple key value pair, right? These kind of things, and it is basically stored as strings. So this is used mainly in user preferences. Suppose you have a web application, it has different themes. Say it has a white theme, it has a green theme, blue theme. The user may prefer one of the themes, like he prefers a black theme. And the user may prefer a specific language for the website, maybe French. You can select that language, and user may also have a specific preference for his font size based on his comfortability, and he may also enable notifications or disable notifications for the website based on the situation. And these are all the user preferences which can be stored in the local storage. Also, when you have any forms in your website and you have filled half of the form and you want to continue the form at a later point of time, local storage is the best place to store. So when you come back to the form, it retrieves and shows those values. So basically, it can also help to show the last state of UI elements. Suppose you are on a specific page in your website. For example, you are on your profile page and you close the website, and when you come back, it will come exactly to the profile page. It also shows you the recently viewed items. It can also help you. So all these things are basically stored in the local storage. Local storage is exposed out, so it is not suitable for sensitive information. So please don't store something like a password or that kind of stuff. So you should know what to store and what not to store. That is the key aspect. So be careful on sensitive information. Now let us see how to use the local storage browser object. So let's say local storage.html. Okay, I create the same HTML template with shift and bang. So this is the local storage, and then we'll write the script to access the local storage browser object, and you can set the lang. Okay, let's say French. So you'll do this whenever you select and user selects a language. You'll do the set item, which is the user's preference, and when the page is loaded, when the website is again loaded, you will say local. When page load again, you will call the local storage get item, retrieve it. You will retrieve and show the website in that language. Okay, so that is local. So say where lang is equal to get item local storage dot get item of lang. Okay, and then I'll do alert of lang. I can also do a console.log of lang. Say language colon plus lang. Okay, so we have seen that when the user selects the language, he'll set the value. Actually, at present, it is hard-coded to French here for simplicity. And when he reloads the page, you'll do the local storage get it from the line. So basically the local storage usually has key value pairs. This is the key, this is the value. So we retrieve the key, you will get the value, and again set that language so that user doesn't need to select the language every time he comes to the website. Now let's see what's happening. You see French has come because it did a thing. And now let's see with inspect. Okay, when I inspect, it says language is French. So we have seen how we set and how we retrieve the key using the local storage for the user preferences. So to summarize, local storage is used for user preferences, especially for setting language. If you want a specific font, you can set it, or you want a specific theme, you can set it. So it is helpful for setting the user preferences and retrieve it again when you access the website. Thank you.